So this is always a fun part in the process, right? As you guys will see where this started and where it's at today. And you know, we got people in taking care of punch list items. We got, I think, 3 or 4 tenants coming in. It's a 6-unit building, by the way. This is just always a great part in the process, because this is what we do it for, right? We really bring in, you know, old dilapidated properties up to a good habitable standard for somebody's family to move into, right? And we got 3 or 4 families moving in. You got it smelling good, looking good.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am, appreciate you. Look like we're gonna have to shore this side up a little bit from the dip. So we serving the community, making money in the process. It's a win-win for everybody. So yeah, this is beautiful.